American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series.
Flex conductor width maximization, part 2. Maximizing conductor width on a flex printed circuit board is critical for ensuring current carrying capacity, reliability, and mechanical flexibility. Here are some key design factors to consider. First, stack up and layer count. Single layer flex allows a maximum width per layer. Use multiple layers only if absolutely necessary. 2. Via and pad design. Avoid overuse of vias in flex zones. They occupy space and reduce routing area. 3. Current carrying requirements. Use IPC 2152 or calculators to determine the trace width needed for the desired current and temperature rise. Example strategy for maximization. Route traces parallel and tight, but within allowable spacing. Avoid 90-degree bends. Use arcs to preserve width and integrity. Use teardrop pads to smooth transition from pad to trace. Use wider traces in stiffener zones and narrow them only in flex zones if needed, and distribute signals across available layers smartly if multi-layer.